In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Xero invoices, a simple yet essential step to ensure your business communications look professional and are on brand. We'll break it down into 5 easy steps to make the process as smooth as possible. First, let's start by heading over to your Xero dashboard. You want to open up your web browser and go to the Xero website, then log in if you aren't already. The dashboard is essentially your home base in Xero, where you can keep track of everything from your financial transactions to your account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice that it offers a clean overview of your financial standings, right from recent transactions to account balances. This area is designed to keep you organized and focused on your next steps. Now that you're on your dashboard, locate and click on the option that says Create Your First Invoice. If this isn't your first invoice, don't worry, you can still access your invoicing options from here. Clicking this will take you directly to the invoicing section, where you can start adding the necessary details. It's important here to make sure your invoices not only detail your financial transactions, but also reflect your brand's professionalism. Once you're in the invoicing section, you'll need to click on Add Details. This step involves filling in crucial information about your invoice, like the billing amounts, recipient information, etc. More than just numbers, this area allows you to personalize each invoice you send out, making sure that it's accurate and informative. Next, it's time to upload your logo. Go ahead and click on Select File, which will prompt you to choose the logo file you want to include on your invoices. Make sure you pick a clear, high-quality image so that it looks sharp when printed or viewed digitally. The image you choose will become part of your business identity, seen by every client or customer you invoice. So think of it as a visual representation of your brand. Finally, after you've added your logo, make sure you click on the Save button. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the details you've inputted are locked in and that your logo is uploaded successfully. Once you've saved your changes, your new invoices will be complete with your personalized logo every time you create them. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you've not only added a professional touch to your invoices, but have also taken another step in branding your business through your financial documents. This process is quick and easy, yet it makes a lasting impact on how your business is perceived by your clients and associates. Keep in mind, the first impression can significantly impact client relationships, and adding a logo is a simple step toward making that impression count.